Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the videopreneur. Want to give another update on my 1961 Chevy Apache. Here you can see I have front grille parts, interior parts, door parts. I've sandblasted them, and then I hit them with primer. And then at the end of the video, you'll see that I've painted them black. Here, Lynn is putting the finishing touches on the doors. We ended up reskinning both doors and putting new bottoms on the doors, and he's been working his ass off on these doors. I don't know how many hours I have into these doors, but it's a lot. When we started, we thought it was the best way to go about it, and we didn't think it would be this detailed, but anything with Lynn, he gets really into the weeds and make sure that it's done right. So here are those parts I was talking about. There you can see the window regulators and some grill parts. Appreciate you watching. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment below, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks again.